My name's Brendan and I love food. My favorite food is my mum's food. My mum is from East Timor and she came to Australia in the late 70s and worked in the Chinese restaurant business for over 30 years. But one thing she never did was teach me how to make these classic Timorese dishes. Now, I've only made a few of these dishes before, but I've invited 3 special guests who are the next generation of uncle and aunties to see if I'm on the right track. All right, today we're doing snacks. We've got something called Mangkok or Phat in Hakka, which is a red steamed cupcake. And the next snack, we've got something called Sisipabang. Is it Sisipabang? Sisikapang. 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 Aha. Sisikapang. It translates as toenail crackers. It's a weird name, but the shape of the actual crackers does look like a weird toenail. So both of these snacks you will always find at Timorese households when you're welcomed into someone's house, right? The Phat or the steamed cupcakes, they're just kind of nice and chewy and kind of got the hints of coconut, which is a very nice light dessert. This is just crackers that are just very, it's all about the crunch of this one. Good combination, sesame seeds and rice flour. We're gonna start with the wet ingredients for the steamed cupcakes. Let's turn this on. We're gonna get the water, so that's about 200 mils of water. We got about 65 mils of coconut milk. Next, we're gonna put in the sugar, which is about 150 grams. We're just gonna mix it all up until all the sugars have been dissolved, and we just wanna keep it warm. We don't wanna go too crazy. Cool. All right, we just wanna set that aside and let it cool down. We're gonna start off with 125 grams of rice flour. Then I'm gonna put 65 grams of just plain flour. Now I'm gonna add in half a teaspoon of yeast. Stir it up nicely. Now we're gonna add in all the dry ingredients into the warm mixture. Yeah, rice flour is actually weird to use because it really needs to be heating up to let it properly mix up. Now I'm gonna add in some of the food coloring, which is a pink flavor. You can go with any color really, but this is the color in which it is known in the community. Cool, all right, that's all mixed up now. Now, we're just gonna let this rest for about 30 minutes. All right, now that's resting, we're gonna start with the toenail crackers. In this pot, we've got 750 mils of water just on the boil. We got 500 grams of rice flour, and we're gonna mix it with 2 tablespoons of salt. Let's give it a nice stir, just to keep it all, get to know each other. And we're gonna slowly incorporate the flour mixture into the boiling water. This is rice flour, man. Fucking rice flour is weird. I was gonna say we can put it on the table. I don't know if this is right. See, look at that, it just sticks. This is just a disaster. It's okay, we can put it in. We're gonna do it like Italian mum style, just like, oh, hot, hot, hot. Actually, I got an idea. Let's do this. Huh. Knead it into a dough. Come on, man, what is this? Only 25 grams of sesame seeds, I reckon, is all we need. I'm gonna mix it into the dough. You know what? I should have done this when I do this. So it doesn't stick onto the floor. Haha! Now we're cooking. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, I'm getting more confident about this now. Why make a goddamn dessert or a snack with this hot dough that's not easy to use? I'm pretty confident that this is the texture in which we are looking for. So I'm going to start rolling it out into a thin tube. I feel like it's going to be like a gnocchi thing. So I reckon it's like that. We're going to use a gnocchi paddle and then essentially cut them all into small little bits. I reckon like 1 finger's worth, 2 centimeters. So I'm gonna try that first. Let's do a tester. So we've got some gnocchi paddles and we're now gonna just oil it up so that this mixture does not stick in. Or maybe we just need to submerge it actually. Far out, look at that. Let's try this out again. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Yeah, how does that look like a toenail? That look like a toenail to you? Pretty mangly toenail. My mum told me an interesting thing about Phat or Kue Mangkok. She only has it when she's visiting other people's houses or when there's like an offering to your deceased ancestors. So you usually see this in like when you do the ancestor worship stuff. There's like these pink cakes. Okay, now that the mixture has been rested for about 30 minutes, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is gonna help it rise when it steams in the basket. Just give it a good mix. We're just gonna grease up the molds. I'm using teacups today. These are my mum's teacups. All right, now I'll just put it into the teacups. I feel like it's, yeah, we just got to smear it like a paste. All right, we're gonna put this into the steamer. It's gonna take about 15 minutes, but then I asked my mum about this and she said it'll take longer because we're not in East Timor where it's tropical weather, so it's already hot.
So how long should it be now?
I think it might take about 20-ish. Maybe half an hour. Yeah, we'll say half an hour. While the cupcakes are steaming, we're gonna fry up these toenail crackers. Yeah, that's good. You just need to fry them until it gets a bit crispy, so it's about 8 minutes. So actually, they both should be coming out at the same time. It's getting there. Guys, I think we're doing all right. My confidence rating is probably at an 8. For someone who's never made this before, I'm pretty confident about this. Okay, these are pretty much ready. I think what's gonna happen is that once we take them out the oil, it's gonna just cool and harden as it cools down, and it's gonna get extra crispy. Okay, let's check up on the cupcakes. Okay. Yeah, it looks about right. Look, it's not the exact color I like. It's usually a fluorescent pink, but look, the taste is gonna be the same. Probably means that I didn't mix it properly. That's okay. We've got the toenail crackers already done. I think it's ready to eat. Okay, we are doing snacks. Ooh. So, we got Sushi Kapang. Sushi Kapang. Toenail crackers. And then we've got steamed
fingernail crackers.
Fingernail crackers, not toenail crackers.
No, sorry, wrong digit.
Toenail crackers. Toenail crackers. That look like a toenail to you? Pretty mangly toenail.
Because suji is hand.
This is suji.
Yeah,
okay,
suji.
right.
Come on, we're going to teach you Hakka here.
Yeah, please. Yeah. This
Jeez.
is cool.
Suji.
Sushi Kapang. Sushi Kapang. Yeah. Gotcha. And the next one is, well, I thought this was Phat, but you said it was
Bopang.
Phat. My dad said it was Phat.
Yeah, because Cantonese do have a version of this, and they have it in New Year, and they call it Phat. But Hakka is Bopang.
Okay. What's your memories of Sushi Kapang?
Sushi kapang.
It comes out during New Year.
Really?
Yep. And it's just one of those staples that you go to everyone's house on New Year's Day, because we do the equivalent of Chinese New Year on New Year's Day.
Yeah.
And it would always be there.
Once you start, you can't stop, really.
It's a favourite. So whenever, like my nieces or myself, we all hear that my mum has her hand on some because some aunties have made it or given it to her, we all rush to get some.
What about Bopang? What's the memories on Bopang?
I think my mum makes it for Chinese New Year, especially, you know, when they do the cooking for the ancestors.
Yeah.
That's one of the ones that she would make.
Yeah.
So this would come out for prayer offerings.
Yeah.
But also at significant occasions as well.
And the version you've made there, I'm used to like a solid colour.
Yes.
You've got a blend there.
Correct. I was hoping it was going to be all one colour, and then after it's steamed, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't incorporate it, I didn't mix it well enough. but it did come out a bit like gold.
Yeah. It looks like actually you've got a whole bunch of Play-Doh and then just mix all the colours
Yeah,
together.
right.
That's what you come out with.
Yeah. Well, hopefully the taste is better than what it looks like.
It's very colourful.
Shall we try this first?
Yes.
Cheers. Not right?
Damn, Brenda, I'm gonna die.
No?
No, absolutely not.
What?
I'm
No
sorry.
way, really?
I'm sorry, what is this?
This
Not-
is like 0 or 1.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident. I'm pretty confident about this. What's this supposed to be like?
Well, it's meant to be crunchy. You're meant to bite into it and then swallow it. I'm not sure what's happened, but I can't swallow this.
Yeah, it's definitely too thick.
Too thick?
Yeah, and I couldn't even bite into it. I had to crack it with my teeth.
Right, yeah.
It's definitely the thickness, but there's something else wrong with the dough, I think.
Well, I put the whole thing in my mouth and it's very salty.
I'm sorry, Brenda.
No, that's cool. That's cool.
But to give you credit, we've tried making this 3 times and we can't get it right.
You can't get it. Okay, right. So it is quite hard to make, isn't
Yes.
it?
It is.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is. I've seen how long it takes as well.
Right, okay.
And if you made it on your own,
Yeah.
then yeah.
And without
credit
any
to you.
reference on how to do it.
Okay, cool. Okay, fair enough. And yeah, what was the ratings again?
I'm sorry, 0.
Fair enough.
0.
0.
Look, I give 1 for effort.
Thank you very much.
Trying
was-
to see, are there any thinner pieces there?
Can I take more?
Oh, at least you can
Okay.
do
Oh,
that.
hey, this is a
See?
bit. This is
Here we go. All right. That's much better.
That's better.
Oh my god.
A
You were
1.
safe.
I got a 1. I got a back to
right.
1.
So,
no.
yeah, if you rolled it thinner,
Yep.
it would have that crunchiness, but I still think it's a little bit too salty.
Too salty.
Oh,
But-
it's really salty.
After I've eaten this, it's salty.
Yeah.
It's way too
It's
salty.
way too salty.
Way too salty.
Yeah.
So 1 for effort.
Let's go on to the bot bang. I don't think I'm not confident in this one. I'm going to let you know I'm not confident in this one.
It's all right.
'Cause-
Sure.
Open to you.
Yeah.
Please, yeah. Yeah.
Like it's very fragrant.
Yeah.
You can really feel it in the mouth as well.
Yeah. Is that not?
And that's not how
That's not
it
how we do
tastes.
it?
No.
No. Okay.
So potentially your batter wasn't mixed well enough.
Okay.
And that's probably why you got the split in colours.
I mean, my mum has probably tried for 30, 40, 50 years to try to make this perfect.
Oh, right.
And it's really hard.
Okay.
So effort, I'll have to give you a good mark for
Okay.
effort, but taste. For me, the coconut milk is a bit too much and it's too overpowering. It's also a bit too hard as well. For me, a really good bot bun is if it's softer and it's not overpowering in either in any taste.
There's meant to be a hint of coconut.
Yeah, hint,
Okay,
but
right.
not like
Not too much.
not
Yeah.
too much.
Okay.
Like the flavour profile was not good. And I think it has a lot to do with your under mixing.
Okay.
But I have been told that this is, as you said, this is a very hard one to make and to get it to flour. And what I mean by flour is this sort of split.
Yeah.
A lot of times people make it and they can't get it to split open.
Right.
Yeah, and so there's a bit of technique to that.
Did I split it?
Yeah,
right?
you were able to
you
split it.
did,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that's what I give credit for.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Actually.
Okay.
My mum must have made a totally different version because it looks like that, but inside it was more soft and honeycomb looking like.
Okay.
This
This is more floury, whereas that one is like if you open it up, it looks like honeycomb.
Spongy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, like a chewy
Yeah.
dough. Yeah,
Yeah.
Okay. What would you get this as a rating?
I would give it a 2 just for your effort and the
fair enough.
and the blooming of the flower.
Thank you.
I think 2.
2. Yeah.
I'd have to go to the same as well for
2.
the
Okay.
effort.
This round of snacks was very difficult, it turns out. I didn't realize how hard this was, but look, I tried it out, and that is really the biggest win we can take away for today.
Self-esteem rating, Brett?
Self-esteem ratings are at an all-time low. This is hard, man. When no one tells you what to do, this is hard. I'm just like in the dark, just
Man.
chucking paint onto the wall and hoping something sticks.
That's literally what it looks like.
Yeah.